Oracle SQL is a powerful language. It lets you talk to databases. You can ask for information, change data, and even build parts of the database. It's like a set of instructions for managing your data. SQL is essential for many jobs. These jobs involve working with data. Some examples include data analysts, software developers, and database administrators. Imagine a library with millions of books. SQL is like a librarian who can instantly find any book you need, update its information, or even organize new shelves. It's a critical tool for managing and understanding vast amounts of data. Learning Oracle SQL can open doors to many career opportunities. It's a valuable skill in today's data-driven world. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your skills, mastering Oracle SQL is a wise investment. Oracle SQL is a standardized language. This means it works with different database systems. Although there might be slight variations, the core concepts remain consistent. This portability is a significant advantage, allowing developers to switch between database platforms with relative ease. Let's start with the basics. One of the most fundamental tasks in SQL is retrieving data. The statement is your go-to tool for this. It allows you to specify the columns you want to see and the table where they reside. This simple query fetches the first and last names of all employees from a hypothetical employees table. It's like asking the database, hey, show me the first and last names of everyone in the employees table. Beyond retrieval, you'll often need to modify data. The statement comes in handy for this purpose. It lets you change existing values in your tables. For instance, you can update an employee's job title or salary. This statement promotes the employee with ID 123 to senior developer, highlighting how easily you can make targeted changes to your data. Once you've grasped the basics, you can dive into more advanced features that unleash the full potential of Oracle SQL. Joins, for instance, allow you to combine data from multiple tables. Imagine you have a table of customers and another table of orders. A join lets you link these tables to see which customers placed which orders. This query retrieves the customer name and order date by joining the customers and orders tables based on the common customer _ID column. Subqueries offer another layer of flexibility. These are queries nested within other queries, allowing for more complex data retrieval. For example, you can find all employees whose salaries are above the average salary using a subquery. This example demonstrates how subqueries can help you pinpoint specific subsets of data based on aggregate values. Section 4. Real-world applications. Putting your SQL skills to work. The real power of Oracle SQL lies in its practical applications across various industries. In business, analysts use SQL to analyze sales trends, customer behavior, and market performance. They can identify top-selling products, understand customer demographics, and make data-driven decisions to improve business strategies. Financial institutions rely heavily on SQL for transaction processing, fraud detection, and risk management. SQL queries enable them to track financial transactions, identify suspicious activities, and ensure the security of sensitive financial data. Healthcare organizations leverage SQL to manage patient records, track medical history, and analyze treatment effectiveness. They can use SQL to generate reports on patient demographics, diagnose diseases based on symptoms and medical history, and improve overall patient care. Section 5. Conclusion. The benefits of mastering Oracle SQL. Mastering Oracle SQL is a valuable asset in today's data-centric world. It equips you with the ability to extract meaningful insights from data, automate tasks, and make informed decisions. Whether you aspire to be a data analyst, database administrator, or any role involving data management, proficiency in SQL is essential. Moreover, the demand for skilled SQL professionals remains consistently high across industries. By investing your time and effort in learning Oracle SQL, you're not only enhancing your skill set, but also boosting your career prospects in a competitive job market. As you delve deeper into the world of Oracle SQL, you'll discover even more advanced features and techniques. From stored procedures and functions to triggers and advanced data manipulation, The possibilities are endless. Embrace the power of SQL, and you'll unlock a world of opportunities in the realm of data.